Hello, I'm Shopper's Concierge, and I can help you explore our e-commerce site, which has about 10 million items. What can I help you with today?
Can you find cups with dancing people?
Starting search for cups with dancing people. Search completed. Found 88 items for cups. The top 3 items are the Kilncraft Dancing Chorus Line mug, Halloween Dancing Ballet Skeleton mug, and the Vintage Favelina Dancers mugs. You can refine your search or let me know if you'd like more information on a deep research.
Now I'd like to find a birthday present for my 10 years old son.
I can help with that. What kind of things does your son enjoy?
Toys? Toys?
Starting search for toys for your 10-year-old son. Search completed. Found 75 items for toys. The top 3 items are the Spider Toy Walkie-Talkies, the Advent Calendar 2024 Fidget Toys, and the 10-in-1 Electric Building Toys. Let me know if you'd like to refine your search or start a deep research.
Deep research.
Would you like me to start a deep research on
Yes.
toys for your Starting deep research for toys for your 10-year-old son. Found 5 item categories: STEM building kits, action figures and collectibles, outdoor adventure gear, board games and strategy games, and creative and craft kits. Starting deep research for birthday presents for your 10-year-old son. I found 5 item categories: STEM building kits, action figures and collectibles, outdoor adventure gear. The deep research has finished. Concierge's pick has been sent, featuring the top items from the deep research results. Would you like to hear about any of the categories or items? This e-commerce site has about 10 million items. What can I help with today? I see a desk, a chair, and a laptop on the desk. Would you like me to find some items related to these?
Yes.
What kind of items would you like me to find? For example, are you looking for furniture, electronics, or something else?
Electronics.
Starting search for electronics with Search completed. Found 96 items for electronics. The top 3 items are the Acer H236HL Bid 23-inch widescreen monitor, a generic monitor, and another monitor. Would you like me to search for specific types of electronics or something else? I have a visualization of an overhead video phone mount, an articulating arm, a cell phone holder, a webcam stand, and a lazy gooseneck phone holder. Would you like me to search for these items?